So this is sound isn't working on this one, so this is lights only. Checking the sound, not really working. So just the lights. There's this little wave motion. And it does have the ability to, I have the cap here, I just don't have it on right now, but you can turn the light up and down. Brightness, more bright, less bright. Kind of hard to tell in the picture, but anyway. That's all it does, lights up. So if you want something that, it's a really nice item, but there's no sound, so if you just want the lights, then this is for you. Nice price, thanks.